SmartCube 300W. Set up the Wi-Fi by Ethernet port in smartphone. If your IP camera has already made successful Wi-Fi connection to your wireless router via WPS push button, please skip this step. This step is for connection to wireless router that does not have WPS push button. However, if your wireless router does not have a WPS button, you can configure the camera by LAN to connect the SmartCube LAN port to your router's LAN port by Ethernet cable. Then use your smartphone to set up the camera's Wi-Fi setting. Please visit App Store or Google Play to install AirLive AppCam app. You can use QR code scanner software directly or simply search the AirLive AppCam. Click the AirLive AppCam icon on your device to run the program. Then select Camera or Plus to add SmartCube 300W. Please scan the camera's UID QR code to add the camera. You can find the camera's UID QR code on the QR code card or in the back of the camera. Key in the password to link the camera. The default password is AirLive. Please change the password when logging to the camera at the first time. Please do not forget this password as you will be asked to enter this new password when setting up the camera. After changing the password, user will see the live view. Please click on the Web UI button to set up the camera via Mobile Web Wizard. When prompted for username and password, please enter admin as the username and enter your new password as password. Important, the Web UI function only works when the SmartCube and the smartphone is on the same local network. For example, if you install the camera at home, the function only works when your smartphone is connected to your home network. Click the Setup tab to switch the page. In the Setup page, please click on Wireless. Please select SSID and key in the password, then click on Save. After connecting to the router, the wizard will show Connected. When user unplugs the Ethernet cable, please replug the power cable at the same time. Wireless connection will be rebuilt in 3 minutes.